Okay, so welcome back to our online classroom. So here's our third week on computer. So last time we talked about the methods of communication, yung 6 natin na communication. So it's still part of our lesson for today. So we're going to jump to a new lesson which is the levels of collaboration. So continuation pa rin siya ng ating lesson regarding sa communication and collaboration sa ating computer. So levels of collaboration. So ano po ba ang levels of collaboration? So here I'm going to show you a picture. And then anong nakikita nyo? Imagine nyo kung isipin nyo kung ano naiisip nyo regarding dyan sa picture na yan. And then kasama siya sa ating activity. So kung mapapansin nyo, they have a meeting, a small meeting. So meron silang coordination, meron silang communication. So ibig sabihin, they might have a goal na kailangan gawin. Okay po. So bakit ko siya pinapakita? Kasi we're talking about collaboration. So dito lang sama-sama sila face to face, hindi sila online. So ito yung gagawin natin after our lesson for today. Connect this picture to our lesson and the film that you're going to see. Explain in at least one paragraph and submit it on your Google Classroom. So yung film natin later on ipapakita ko sa inyo at the end of our lesson. So here on our online collaboration, kailangan nating malaman ano ba yung meaning ng ating online collaboration. So the online collaboration means the internet is now replete with tools that allow people to work together on a common task to achieve shared goals, a process known as online collaboration. So in short, para siyang meeting pero ginagamitan natin siya ng tool which is the computer and the different kinds of gadgets such as cell phones, etc. And in online collaboration, we need to have our communication. Parang face-to-face din yan. We can't talk about our goal. Hindi natin makakamit yung goal natin na walang nagko-communicate from person to person. So communication is free exchange of information. There is no intended purpose other than to pass and react to message or data. So mostly ginagawa natin yan kapag nag-Google Classroom tayo, kapag nag-chat-chat tayo sa Messenger, may discussion regarding sa darating na examination para malaman natin yung mga dates, kung kailan ipapasa yung mga activities, or for example yung online natin, yung monitoring, it's part of our communication din po. Okay, kung meron tayong communication, we also have conferencing. So, yung conferencing, it occurs when there is a shared goal among those who are involved. All interaction is directed towards the attainment of the goal, of that goal. This means all input should be relevant and there are rules to observe in collecting those inputs. So, ito ay yung mga goals na ginagawa sa meeting, pinag-uusapan, or nag-brainstorming. So, meaning yan, nasa isang hall lang yung mga tao or nasa isang room lang. For example nito is, conferencing is yung ating pagbibideo, chat, or video calls using our third-party software such as Messenger, Zoom, and Google Meet. So, kapag nandun na yung mga tao, meron silang certain goal na dapat gawin or dapat pag-usapan. So, hindi pwedeng mag-usap ng wala dun sa matters of goals na pag-uusapan nyo. Hindi pwedeng nag-uusap kayo regarding sa examination, bigla na lang sisingit ng wala dun sa ating goal na yon. So, yun ang ating conferencing. So, we have different kinds of third party nga na software such as Skype. So, alam nyo ba yung Skype? So, Skype is one of the most widely used conferencing tools. So, bago pa lumabas yung ating Messenger, yung Google Classroom, yung Zoom, nauna na yung Skype. Tanda ko dati nung wala pang Facebook, meron ng Skype, ang alam ko. Or Friendster pa yung kasabay ng Skype dati. Meron pa tayong Yahoo Messenger which we can also chat each other on that said software. So ito yung logo ng Skype. So mga nakagamit, so maaaring alam nyo na po yan. And then we also have our Messenger. So itong pinaka sikat for now na ginagamit natin sa pagchat-chat, hindi lang sa pagchat, sa video messaging and different kinds of stuff. So ano po yung ating Messenger? So madali naman yan. Ginagamit natin yan sa ating group chat and pag-communicate sa ating mga magulang pag malayo and sa mga classmates. Okay, so next up we have our Google Meet. So we always use this din sa different kinds of subject natin dito sa ating school. So what is Google Meet? Google Meet is a video communication service developed by Google. It is one of the two apps that constitute the replacement of Google Hangouts, the other being Google Chat. So mostly ito din yung ginagamit natin. Bakit? Kasi po sa Zoom, meron siyang limited na 30 minutes for those na hindi nagbabayad. So for libre lang na trial, meron tayong 30 minutes lang na limited. That's why we are using Google Meet kasi hindi siya limited for 30 minutes. So pwede siyang tumagal pa ng mas mahaba doon. And then hindi katulad sa ating Messenger. Sa Messenger po ay madami ang hindi ganun kadami ang pwedeng pumasok sa ating Messenger. At hindi katulad sa Google Meet, maraming tao ang pwedeng pumasok sa ating meeting na ito. Okay, so that's for our Google Meet. So made by our beloved Google. So next one we have the Zoom. So ano po yung Zoom? Zoom is a video telephony software program developed by Zoom Video Communications. The pre-plan provides a video chatting service that allows up to 100 participants concurrently with a 40 minutes time, etc. hanggang madami pa yan. And then ito, mas maganda dito, mas HD din yung quality ng video na naipakita niya sa mga participants sa meeting. Ang pagkakaiba lang niya is may limited time siya. Kung bibili kayo, mag-subscribe kayo sa Zoom, pwede kayong tumagal pa ng 40 minutes above. For the last one, ang tool na ginagamit natin parate. So sa ating mga group chat, sa ating mga kaibigan, kaklase, and mga teachers. So that's the Facebook Messenger. So what's the Facebook Messenger? It is an American messaging app and platform developed by Facebook Incorporated. Originally developed as Facebook Chat in 2008. The company revamped its messaging service in 2010. So yan po ang ating Messenger. So yan ay galing sa ating Facebook. Dati, maalala ko, wala pa yung group chat, wala pang video chat. So dati is chat lang talaga siya, na-develop until now, na ginagamit na natin, na dumadami na rin yung pwedeng participate as sa group chat natin. Hindi katulad dati, limited lang ata sa 8, ngayon padami na lang padami. So dadami pa yan, mapapatulad na rin sa Messenger, sa Zoom or sa Google Meet na madami na. Okay po, so that's our tools for our online collaboration. So, kung meron tayong communication, conference, we also have the coordination. So, ano yung coordination? Is similar to conferencing in that it has shared goal but it also has a more complex interdependence among participants. In these types of collaboration, people are normally assigned different tasks which, when brought together, result in a final output. Thus, the roles of participant and the relationship with one another are more defined. Okay po, so yan yung tatlo nating parts of our online collaboration, which is our communication, conferencing, and the coordination. So, online collaboration tools. So, nabanggit ko na rin yung iba, which is our software such as Messenger, Zoom, and Google Meet. Online collaboration tools. The best online collaboration tools have all the features that people need to collaborate effectively. They allow to communicate internally, chat, send messages, and share files without the need for an external application. Online collaboration projects will be plugged with overlapping and redundant revisions if there were no proper documents management. This refers to the way of documents are handled as they go through the cycle of creation, alteration, filing, and retrieval. So changes made to a document when they were made and by whom are all recorded. This process is called document versioning. Okay po. So pagre-revise in short, pagre-revise po siya ng ating files. So ang tawag doon is document versioning. Okay, some software like Google Drive. So nakagamit na naman kayo siguro ng Google Drive. Pwede din kayo mag-store dyan ng mga data or files. And Zoho, Office Suite come with a set of application that are normally required in collaboration projects. So mostly ginagamit talaga natin yan as third party din dun sa ating mga online collaboration tools. So gamitin din yung mga yan sa ibang mga projects. They have programs for words processing, spreadsheet, presentation, note-taking, and database. So mostly kapag nag-online kayo, pwede nyo nang magamit yung parang Office siya, parang Word. So ginagamit din natin yan sa ating Google Drive. So ngayon, manood na tayo ng ating short film. And then after that, gagawin natin yung activity ni Sir. Okay po. So kung nalimutan niyo yung activity, pwede nyo ibalik dun sa unang part ng ating discussions.
So your online course includes a group assignment. Okay, don't freak out. There's lots of tips and plenty of tools to get you and your group through this. First thing, find your group and introduce yourself. Hi. Share information about your experience, education, interests, skills, that kind of stuff. This will help determine what roles everyone plays later on. Now, you probably want to share some contact information, email, phone numbers, instant messaging IDs, whatever everyone's comfortable with. Check to make sure everyone's in the same time zone, and share any scheduling constraints that might be coming up. Appoint a group leader. This person will keep the group on track, oversee the work, facilitate decisions, and keep the instructor up to date. Now, divide up the responsibilities based on everyone's strengths. Okay, so you've probably got a few documents and a bunch of emails, and things are getting kind of messy. It's time to decide what tools your group will use to collaborate on this project. You might start with the course tools available on your course group page. Here you'll find a number of useful apps for getting the job done. First, look at the group discussion board. Just like class discussions, this is an asynchronous forum, but this time it's just for the members in your group. This is a great tool for early planning and decision making, but without electronic notification features, you'll want to check back often to make sure you're not missing the conversation. File Exchange is a very basic Dropbox for uploading and sharing files with your group. Make sure you decide on a versioning convention when you're naming the files so that everyone's working from the latest copy. Group Tasks is a simple to-do list that can be managed by your group leader and lets everyone know what still needs to be done. Collaboration is a synchronous chat tool that allows group members the option that includes a whiteboard for brainstorming or a version with just text chat. Collaboration should not be confused with Blackboard Collaborate, which is a robust web conferencing platform with a wide variety of features and tools for synchronous collaborative activities. You can request a Collaborate session to be scheduled from your instructor should your group decide it wants to try it. Outside your course, there's all sorts of great collaboration tools online, from wikis, Google Docs, lots more. Feel free to use whatever your group is comfortable with, but please make sure everybody's on board. Work with the tools people are already using. That's a good place to start. So, there you go. With the right strategies, tools, and a positive attitude, online group work can be a great learning experience for everyone in your group.
Okay, so that's all for today. So, I hope you enjoy our film and our discussion. So, ito yung ating gagawin ulit. So, kailangan ko ulit i-flashback sa inyo. So, please, manood po tayo lagi para hindi tayo nahihirapan sa pag-complete ng ating monitoring report. So, please, submit on time. Madami namang free time pa na natitira within an hour. So wala pang 30 minutes ang ating nagugol dito. Tapusin natin sa paggagawa ng ating activity. So that's all for today, and then i-comment nyo din yung ating core values and yung natutunan nyo sa ating lesson. So nasa YouTube comment natin yan. So yun lang po, and may the Lord